Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig tutorial as well as a review on Divine Hair Rights. Oh my god, their packaging is super cute, guys. They sent me over this wig and it's going to be a 22-inch Brazilian body wave. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And just looking at the packaging, you guys, I'm already, oh my god, I'm so excited. So on the front they have their, and the toe is like super cute. It's like a little, oh my god, it's so cute. On the back of the box it has all of their social media handles, so you guys make sure that you check them out. I will be sure to leave all of their handles down below in the description box. So if you guys can see, it has their website, which is divinehairrights.com, their Facebook at Divine Hair Rights, as well as their Instagram, and then their Twitter is also Hair Rights. So I will be sure to link everything in the description box so that you guys be sure to check them out. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. We're going to be opening this together. Y'all, I'm super excited. So inside of the box you get a pair of Mink 3D hair lashes. This is in the style A16. These are the lashes here. You get a wig cap, a thank you card, which is super cute, and it also has their website, their email. It also comes with a cute little debit card credit card with the link to their website and all of that. Like, it is super cute, guys. I cannot, oh my gosh. And this is the packaging for the hair. Comes in this bag. Alright, so in the bag again you get another card, and then this is the wig here. Comes in this bag. Oh, this is long. Alright, so this is the wig here, and it comes again with the card, and it tells you the length. This is a 22-inch body wave, full lace. And you guys, oh, and this smells good too. Am I weird that I always smell hair? You guys, look at this. Do y'all see this? It's super soft. I'm getting no shedding. Yeah, it's super soft and it's super freaking full, okay? And then it has a full lace, so in the front as well as in the back. So it's going to come with 4 combs. And it also comes with adjustable strap, as you guys can see. And then I want you guys to take a look at this lace right here. So it looks like it comes pre-plucked, and it has baby hairs as well. And I just want you guys to see like the lace. Let's see. Okay, so the knots aren't bleached, and I don't have bleach with me, so I'm gonna just have to put some makeup on it. But you guys, I'm just looking at it, like the parting and everything. I don't know if this is a 13x6, but the parting like goes back really far. So this is it. So I always like to run my fingers through it just so I can see. And it says it's 22 inches, so it comes down this far. I got some Got To Be Free spray. Then shout out to Lemons on Say. So besides just some minimum shedding, I really had no complaints whatsoever regarding this hair. Like, I am in love with this unit. Like, it's super full, it's super soft to the touch, and you know, I love a wig that has versatility to it, so I can part it from anywhere basically. So I am always in love with the wig that has a lot of versatility to it. Alright guys, so this right here is basically the completed look right here. But right now I'm going to show you guys after I was able to add some curls and zhuzh up the wig just a little bit more. When I tell you that the wig takes curls perfectly, oh my god, you guys see how voluminous and full it is? Look at it. Yes, you better serve. But once again, thank you again, Divine Hair Rights, for sponsoring this video. And as always, I will be sure to leave everything in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.